Hey guys, welcome back to Confirm It RM YouTube channel. Getting ourselves back into looking at Bitcoin, XRP, and other various things in the market. Happy to be back, guys. Sorry I've been gone for the past couple weeks, but now I'm actually working back here in my state, so I'll actually be able to do videos almost every other day. Keep you guys updated on my thoughts and what's going on with the market. So it's nice to see Bitcoin break to the upside and getting exactly what we had expected, pushing ourselves up there to around that 71. We were thinking around that 70 to 71 and a half, just right around there. But we got our nice little push upwards, obviously sharp retracement, getting ourselves right back on top of that trend that we need to break from, and now just kind of waddling sideways. So now what we're expecting is, so I think something like this. This is this rising wedge. Looks like it comes out to around July 3rd, July 4th, midweek, where we're just going to waddle around, and then we have our optimistic push to 74,751. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm kind of riding the coattails on. We're holding above the 702 right now at 68,769, just right there. We could push ourselves down to and hold on top of, what is this, 67,500. Just right there, hitting around that 200-day moving average if we do happen to wick. That's A-okay. Right now on the RSI, pushing ourselves upwards, sitting around a 48. Got ourselves a support here at the 41 on the RSI, holding ourselves for a nice continuation. But what I think could be interesting is something like this on the RSI, where we have the middle of the channel being held, just like this. We could see ourselves do something sort of like that. Just like that, push ourselves to the upside, because we know we didn't really go super overbought, we didn't go super oversold, so things are cooking, as they would like to say. So with Bitcoin, that's what we're looking for. By I think end the month, we're gonna be seeing a nice move for it right in time for here July 4th for Independence Day here in the United States. Be nice to see Bitcoin hit an all-time high that week. Definitely would be cool. Looking over here at BNB. I just haven't touched this in so long, and it's just really it's just cool to show you guys how this stuff works out. So we were talking about BNB back in June of last year, and just seeing how everything was going on, and just really going over things in December, showing how we had our support here at this 231, flying up, hitting on top of here 296, kind of waddling sideways. You can see flying up, back testing, flying up, doing a ascending wedge here, and then flying to the upside there to around 678. Actually got up there to around 726. But it looks like we have for a big target here. We're looking for BNB to get to around $800 right now, as long as it holds, getting back down to the 609, which actually wouldn't be crazy, because when you're up this high in those Fibonacci's, it's like nothing else. You have such a large region. But if you were to go off of a local, which would be here to here, you could actually see that BNB staying, look at that, above 609, about 604. It has the potential for $1,000 on this short-term period. I would say 850 is definitely feasible. Look at that. Actually, look how well that works right there. Double tap it around by the 1618. So actually, worst case scenario, hitting there on the 593, you're going to see it fly up. If it's able to push through and get through the 618, you're looking at $850 to $1,000 for BNB. That's just insane. But who knew, right? So getting ourselves back over here to XRP, looking at how that looks. We were kind of leading with that 60-40 split of XRP, kind of falling out of this because this was a descending fractal right here, and then kind of forming that falling wedge, and then ta-da, back testing. It's that same region right on that 45. Obviously got a huge wick back here in April down to 38, but hit that same region almost on the dot. So nothing crazy for XRP. I don't have too much to say on it right now, but just keeping on going on, keeping ourselves above 48 cents. If we lose 48, we're going to be heading back down to those regions. So if you wanted to go like this, actually we'll flip that upside down. We'll do it from here to here. 41, I would say 41's on that. And then actually, let's see, I would use the more candle wicks. let's see right about there. Yeah, 40. Yeah, there we go. 44 and 38. Just about. I would say those are our supports for XRP if it decides to break down from here. But we're already pretty oversold. We hit around a 21. The most we've hit before is like a 15 on a recent time period, and over here at 18. So it has reached that pain threshold. So that we're going to let kind of marinate and go sideways, but we're kind of more intrigued right now about Bitcoin, seeing how that's going to go. But that's what I'm looking for with Bitcoin, seeing it go sideways probably for the next couple weeks, like 2-3 weeks, and then see that pop to the upside. It is definitely an ascending fractal. This is something you want to see for price appreciation, and we broke out of that parallel channel going upwards, so that everything is pointing to Bitcoin soon, exclamation point. But hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, I'll be doing videos much more often now, at least 3 to 5 a week, and I see you guys on the next one.